This is vegan chicken and dumplings made with shredded King Oyster mushrooms and also puffed pastry from Pepperidge Farm, which happens to be vegan. Not all of them are, so make sure you check the label. The Pepperidge Farm one is. Go ahead and melt vegan butter in the bottom of your pressure cooker on the high saute setting. So put your setting on high saute and put your vegan butter inside, about a half a stick, and go ahead and start softening up your vegetables. Now, if you had to walk away here, you could, because the heat stays pretty even. So it's not going to burn. It's not going to give you any trouble. You can actually walk away for a couple seconds and let your vegetables soften because the heat is very even. I put in my carrots now and the rest of my celery and onions and just kind of let that melt together with the melted butter and just kind of let it soften, sauteing it, just getting it a little translucent here. I added in my vegan chicken seasoning and also some poultry seasoning so that I can get that kind of poultry, chicken flavor. And then I shredded some King Oyster mushrooms. And this is a very tough mushroom, not to be confused with oyster mushroom. It's King Oyster mushroom, and it's great to make shredded things like pulled pork, carnitas, and in this instance, we're doing chicken and dumplings, shredded chicken and dumplings. So you just kind of shred it with your fork. It's pretty easy to do. You don't need any special tools, anything, just a regular eating fork to shred that up. And once you have that shredded, then you can go ahead and put it into your pressure cooker. I use 2 King Oyster mushrooms in this recipe. And you can get these at the Asian market. That's where I usually find them, at the Asian market, international market. Mushrooms is the only vegetable source of vitamin D, so I always recommend using mushrooms in your dishes. It's just a good thing to add. And so once I put my shredded King Oyster mushrooms, got them all shredded, I put them inside of my pressure cooker as well to cook. And then I added about 3 cups of water, and I put it on pressure cook for just about 5 minutes. That's it. And it came out beautiful like this. And then I opened my lid as they were nice and soft. Everything was beautiful. And then I added in my cut up pastry sheets. So this is the puff pastry. I cut them into little dumplings, and then I just placed them on top of my soup mixture and put it on, put the lid back on for another 2 minutes to allow that to get done. And there you go. This dish is ready to go, and it took me about 20-25 minutes to do the whole thing. So I definitely recommend, if you missed that chicken and dumplings try this recipe. It's super good and very, very fast and easy. Vegan chicken and dumplings.